Hey guys, thank you for joining us again. Today we're going to show you the Mobileye 630 installed on a Ford F150 2010. The Mobileye 630 is a collision alert system that alerts you when you're too close to a vehicle, or if you drift from your lane with no signals, if you see pedestrian in your danger zone, and also if you, for whatever reason, put yourself at risk. So we have here the screen for the Mobileye. We're going to go quickly through the menu. So the first menu we have is the brightness of the screen. The next menu we have is seconds. The seconds basically allows us to determine how far we want the alert. So if we put the alert, for example, at 1.2 seconds, when the vehicle is going to read, when the system is going to read the vehicle speed and the vehicle in front of it, and it will see that in stopping distance we have less than 1.2 seconds, it will alert us. The next menu we have is the lane changing. So the lane changing, we're gonna put it to sensitivity number 2, which is the highest sensitivity. Basically, we choose how sensitive it's gonna alert us when we change lanes. The system can be adjusted to different speeds when the lane changing alert will start. In this case, we have set it for 45 kilometers an hour and up. The next menu we have is the speed alerts. So if you want to have any alerts on speeding, we can turn it on and off. Now when you turn the system on, turn the car on the first time, you're going to have two yellow lines, which means the system is now on and functional. We're going to go on the road and we're going to show you how the system works. Okay, so now we're going to show you the slow collision alert. So when we are in traffic, we're standing, leg on the brake. If we let go of the brake and we get too close to the vehicle in front of us, the system alerts us. Tells us we are too close to the vehicle in front of us. Okay, so now we're going to show you the lane departure. The lane departure, as we can see, the lines just changed to white, which means we are in the right speed and the system will read the lane departure. As soon as we're going to change lanes with no signal, we're going to have an alert showing us that we have changed lane with no signal. That one for the right, and this one is going to be for the left. That will be the lane departure. Now we're going to put a signal and change the lane so nothing will show. Now we have cars in front of us. The system can read the vehicles, and the system will decide and tell us if we have enough to show us the distance in time between us and the car in front of us. So the system can see that there's a car, 2.5 seconds stopping time. We'll press the brake, and we can see that there's vehicles in front of us. The next feature we're going to show you is the vehicle alert in front of us, the collision alert. So the system reads the speed of our vehicle and the vehicle in front of us, and determines how much stopping time we need to stop safely. We set in this case for 1.2 seconds, so as soon as we get lower than 1.2 seconds, we get an alert. If we approach too fast, we will have a much louder alert that tells us you are too close to the vehicle in front of you. Subscribe to our channel on the left corner. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.